Ever felt lost in the maze of mortgage options? You're not alone. Today we're turning the complex world of mortgages into a straightforward path you can confidently navigate. Whether you're buying your first home or your next, understanding your mortgages options is key to making choices that fit your financial landscape. In a market filled with choices, making the right decision on your mortgage can feel overwhelming. That's why we're here, to demystify the process and guide you through the three main types of mortgages. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of each option, empowering you to make a decision that'll pave the way to your dream home. Let's start with the cornerstone of home financing, the fixed rate mortgage. Imagine locking in your mortgage rate today and knowing it will never change regardless of how the market does over the next 10, 20, or 30 years. This constant payment is like a financial security blanket, making fixed rate mortgage a go-to choice for those who value stability in their monthly budgeting. Next up, the adjustable rate mortgage, or ARM, a chameleon in the mortgage world. It starts off with a fixed rate mortgage, offering a honeymoon phase of a lower interest rate for the first few years. But here's the twist. After this period, your rate adjusts to reflect the current market conditions, which means a lower payment, or conversely, a much higher payment. It's a bit of a gamble, but with the right strategy, it can be a smart move for those planning on a shorter stay in their home. Lastly, let's talk about the safety net of the mortgage world, government-issued mortgages. Whether you're a first-time home buyer with a modest down payment, a veteran honored for your service, or looking to settle in a rural area, there is a government-backed program out there for you. The FHA, VA, and USDA loans are designed with special benefits to help you cross the threshold into home ownership. Now that you've journeyed through the landscape of mortgage options with us, you're better equipped to make a decision that feels right for you. Remember, the right mortgage can turn the dream of home ownership into reality. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight. Your dream home is closer than you think. Let's make it happen together. My name is Miguel Garanza with Remax Platinum, the Spotlight Home Team.